Napa Valley is the most famous wine region in the United States, and for good reason. With its picturesque landscapes, ideal climate, and age-worthy wines that compete with the best in the world, Napa has become synonymous with fine wine. From bold, cellar-worthy Cabernet Sauvignons to rich and flavorful Chardonnay, the valley's diverse microclimates and passionate vintners create wines that captivate both newcomers and seasoned wine gurus. This is an introduction to Napa Valley. Welcome to the Phil of Pinot YouTube channel, where we create wine education videos for beginners and wine lovers. Napa Valley is located in Northern California, about 50 miles northeast of San Francisco. Stretching roughly 30 miles from the town of Napa in the south to Calistoga in the north, the valley is nestled between the Newcomers Mountains to the west and the Vaca Range to the east. Napa Valley is home to over 400 wineries and produces wines that consistently earn global acclaim. History. Grapevines were first planted in Napa Valley in the early 19th century by Spanish missionaries, but it wasn't until the mid-1800s that Napa's winemaking potential truly began to emerge. In 1861, Charles Krug established Napa Valley's first commercial winery, laying the foundation for what would become a thriving industry. By the late 19th century, Napa was home to dozens of wineries and had begun to earn a reputation for quality wine. However, the region faced major setbacks in the early 20th century, first from the phylloxera epidemic that devastated vineyards, and then from prohibition, which forced most wineries to shut down or drastically change operations. The modern revival began in the 1960s and 70s as a new wave of winemakers brought innovation, investment, and renewed passion to the region. The 1976 Judgment of Paris. Napa's true coming-of-age moment came in 1976 at the Judgment of Paris, a landmark wine tasting event held on May 24, 1976, that forever changed the global perception of American wine, particularly that of Napa Valley. The event was intended to showcase French superiority by comparing top French wines to their American counterparts in a blind tasting judged by French wine experts. To everyone's surprise, and much to the dismay of the French judges, 2 Napa Valley wines took top honors. Stag's Leap Wine Cellar's 1973 Cabernet Sauvignon beat out prestigious Bordeaux wines in the red category, and Chateau Montelena's 1973 Chardonnay bested top-tier white Burgundies. The results were shocking and controversial, but they were undeniable. Practically overnight, Napa Valley went from being a relatively obscure player on the global wine stage to a world-class wine destination. The Judgment of Paris validated the quality and potential of Napa wines and sparked international interest in California. It also inspired investment, innovation, and a surge of new wineries, ushering in a golden era of Napa Valley winemaking. Today, Napa Valley is an internationally acclaimed wine region. Geography and climate. Napa Valley's geography and climate are key to its status as one of the world's premier wine regions. Geographically, the valley is nestled between 2 mountain ranges, the Newcomers Mountains to the west and the Vaca Range to the east, which create a natural corridor that influences temperature, wind, and sun exposure. The climate is primarily Mediterranean, with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters, ideal for growing wine grapes. Cool morning fog from the nearby San Pablo Bay often blankets the southern part of the valley, helping to moderate temperatures and extend the growing season. As you move north, the fog burns off earlier and temperatures rise, creating a gradient of growing conditions that support a range of grape varieties. For example, the cooler southern regions are perfect for Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, while the warmer northern areas are known for producing powerful, structured Cabernet Sauvignons. Napa Valley's soil diversity is also extraordinary. Over 100 different soil types can be found here, many of which are volcanic, marine, or alluvial in origin. This variation allows winemakers to match grape varieties to specific soil types, enhancing complexity and expression in the wines. Together, these elements of terroir, climate, geography, and soil combine to create ideal conditions for viticulture and enables Napa Valley to produce wines with depth, balance, and character, earning it a place among the most respected wine regions in the world. Major grape varieties. Napa Valley is home to a diverse range of grape varieties, thanks to its varied microclimates and soils. While the region is most famous for its bold red wines, it also produces outstanding examples of many other grapes. The major varieties in Napa Valley are Cabernet Sauvignon. The undisputed star of Napa Valley, Cabernet Sauvignon thrives in the valley's warm, sunny climate, especially in regions like Rutherford, Oakville, and Stag's Leap District. Napa Cabs are known for their rich structure, bold tannins, dark fruit flavors like blackberry and blackcurrant, and aging potential. Chardonnay. As the most widely planted white grape in the valley, Chardonnay grows especially well in the cooler southern regions like Carneros. Napa Chardonnays range from crisp and mineral-driven to rich and creamy, often with notes of apple, pear, citrus, and vanilla from oak aging. Merlot. Often used in blends but also bottled on its own, Napa Merlot is plush and fruit-forward, with soft tannins and flavors of plum, black cherry, and cocoa. It's particularly successful in regions like Oaknall and the Valley Floor areas. Sauvignon Blanc. Grown mostly in cooler sub-appellations like Rutherford and Carneros, Napa Valley Sauvignon Blanc is crisp, aromatic, and refreshing. In 1968, Robert Mondavi coined the term Fumé Blanc, inspired by the French wine region Puy-Fumé, where Sauvignon Blanc is also grown and often has a distinct smoky character. Fumé means smoke in French. Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir prefers cooler climates, so it's mainly found in southern Napa areas like Carneros. These wines are lighter bodied compared to Cabernet Sauvignon, with bright red fruit, earthy undertones, and elegant structure. Zinfandel. Though not as dominant as Cabernet Sauvignon, Zinfandel has a long history in Napa Valley. It typically yields bold, spicy wines with jammy fruit flavors, often grown in warmer subregions like Calistoga. Petit Syrah. Known for its inky color and robust structure, Petit Syrah is often used in blends, but also shines as a single varietal wine. It offers intense dark fruit, spice, and firm tannins, and grows well in the warmer northern parts of the valley. Other Bordeaux varietals. Grapes like Cabernet Franc and Malbec are also grown in Napa and are often blended with Cabernet Sauvignon to create classic Bordeaux-style blends. Cabernet Franc is appreciated for its herbal notes and finesse, while Malbec adds depth and dark fruit character. Napa Valley AVAs. As of 2025, Napa Valley has 18 American viticulture areas, or AVAs, a legally defined wine grape growing region in the United States, designated by the Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau. It is similar to the French AOC or Italian DOC. These AVAs are defined by geography, not political lines. Due to each AVA's unique climate, soil, elevation, and other terroir characteristics, we here at Filipino will follow up this video with a separate video of each AVA. But generally speaking, there are the mountain AVAs, which include Howell Mountain, Mount Veeder, Atlas Peak, Diamond Mountain District, and Spring Mountain District. The Valley Floor AVAs, which include Oakville, Rutherford, St. Helena, Yountville, Oaknall, and Calistoga. The cooler AVAs, which include Los Carneros, Coombsville, Wild Horse Valley, and Childs Valley. and the newest AVA in 2024, the Crystal Springs of Napa Valley. Best times to visit as a tourist. So when are the best times to visit Napa Valley? During the fall season, from September to November, it is harvest season. This season is the most popular time when Napa is bustling and beautiful. In the spring, from March to May, is bud break. This season sees fewer crowds and mustard blooms. In the summer, from June to August, the valley is sunny, lively, and hot. This season is crowded despite the heat. Finally is the winter, from December to February, which is a great time for cellar tastings. Napa Valley is typically more quieter and cozy during the season. Tips: be sure to make appointments in advance. Many of the top wineries no longer accept walk-ins. We would recommend to plan 2 to 3 wineries per day maximum to enjoy wines and tours, especially at a relaxed pace. Lastly, we recommend to hydrate, eat well, and either designate a driver or book a wine tour. As always, drink responsibly. And that's our beginner's guide to the Napa Valley wine region. Be sure to check out our next video on Napa Valley AVAs, which goes into a deeper dive into each sub-region.